Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but learning to dance in the rain. Your mindset determines your future. Keep it positive and empowering. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest steps of your life. You are the author of your own story. Make it a bestseller. Success is built on the foundation of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Your actions can inspire others. Stay patient and trust your journey. Good things take time. Rise above the storm, and you will find the sunshine. Your dreams are worth chasing. Keep pursuing them with passion. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Your confidence will lead the way. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Be bold and take those chances. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Your attitude determines your altitude. Keep it positive and uplifting. You have the power to create your own destiny. Start building it today. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Make that decision now. Turn your can-TS into cans and your dreams into plans. Success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every step of the way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.